Now the inlays in this seat are actually made of Alcantara or micro suede. It's a synthetic material. Now a lot of people are scared of it. The important thing to remember is any product you're using has to be water-based. You can't use any solvent-based or alcohol-based cleaners on it. You can damage it. A couple of stains here, which are just about normal. You see on a lot of these seats. Pretty easy to remove with just the right techniques and the right products. What we're going to do is use the Fabricadabra, spray it into the pad, and then side-to-side motion. Don't apply any pressure, because you don't want to be pushing the stain further into the surface, but back and forth, then turn it over to the dry side, back and forth over, then get your final dry cloth and just run it back and forth, and look at that, the stain's all gone. Our next step will be to actually run the vacuum cleaner over it to pull all the hair back up, and then we leave it to dry for about half an hour, and it's a perfect finish.